Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm going to discuss about the L.P.P. and today's topic is different types of L.P.P. So we can use this L.P.P in various fields and to solve the various types of problems, and these all problems are real life oriented problem, and these are the manufacturing problem, diet problem, transportation problem, allocation problem, investment problem, and using this L.P.P we can solve out these all types of problems. So we will discuss one by one and we will give an example to illustrate this one. Okay, so let's start. The first one is the manufacturing problem, and here is a manufacturing problem we will solve using L.P.P. So the question is, a manufacturing company makes two models A and B of a product. Each piece of model A requires 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Each piece of model B requires 12 labor hours for fabricating and 3 labor hours for finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the available labor hours are 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 per piece of model A and rupees 12,000 per piece for model B. So how many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured to maximize the profit? Now, what is the maximum profit? So this is the question, and we will solve this using L.P.P. right? So just see the point, this one. How many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured per week to realize a maximum profit, right? So कितने मॉडल A और कितने मॉडल B को मैन्युफैक्चर करना चाहिए so that the profit will be maximum. So this is the point. और हम लोग जानते हैं कि जो चीज हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स में जो इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है उसको हम x कंसीडर करते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स कंसीडर द मॉडल A. Amount of model A is X and amount of model B is Y, right? So model A is X and model B is Y, right? Now the question says that the company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 per piece for model A and 12,000 per piece for model B. So if we calculate the profit, then it will be the total profit. The total profit is equals to per piece 8,000 for model A, right? So total is 8x. Good. So 8x plus 8,000x plus, and for model B per piece में कितना profit होता है? For model B per piece 12,000. So it will be 12,000 Y. So this is the total profit, and we have to maximize this one, right? So the objective function will be, so the objective function is Z equals to, you know very well that we denote objective function with Z. So and we have to maximize this profit, this amount, right? So the max Z, so max Z is equals to 8,000 X plus 12,000 Y, this one, right? And we will construct the constraints, and the L.P.P is, the formation of L.P.P is done, right? And I will just form the L.P.P and you will solve it. Okay, so subject to the constraint, subject to the constraints. अब देखो यहाँ पर कुछ कंडीशन है, ये सारे कंडीशंस को अप्लाई करो. जो लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी आना था, जो कॉन्स्टेंट्स आना था, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. सी हियर दैट द 3 labor hours, see here the available labor hours are 180 and 30 respectively, right? So for fabricating, each piece of model A के पर पीस के लिए फैब्रिकेटिंग के लिए कितना लेबर आवर्स यहाँ पर रिक्वायर होता है? 9 लेबर आवर्स, राइट? सो 9 यहाँ पर कितना मॉडल ए कितना प्रोड्यूस किया? X. सो 9x प्लस फॉर फैब्रिकेटिंग मॉडल बी के लिए फैब्रिकेटिंग के लिए कितने लेबर आवर्स चाहिए? यहाँ पर 12 लेबर आवर्स, राइट? सो प्लस 12y, राइट? और फैब्रिकेटिंग के लिए अवेलेबल लेबर आवर्स कितना है? फैब्रिकेटिंग के लिए अवेलेबल लेबर आवर्स है 180। सो 180 को तो एक्सीड नहीं कर सकता है, राइट, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अवेलेबल लेबर आवर्स कितना है 180 है। सो दिस इज लेस और इक्वल्स टू 180। फॉर मॉडल ए फिनिशिंग के लिए कितना लेबर आवर मांगता है? फिनिशिंग के लिए यहाँ पर 1 लेबर आवर, राइट। सो फॉर मॉडल ए x प्लस, और फॉर मॉडल बी फिनिशिंग के लिए कितना लेबर आवर चाहिए? 3, right? If I am not wrong, then 3 plus 3y, right? So this one 12 and 3, okay. And see here, यहाँ पर available labor hour कितना है फिनिशिंग के लिए? फिनिशिंग के लिए 30, right? 30 hours है. So this is less than equals to 30 hours. और यहाँ पर जो मैंने कंसीडर किया था x और y, ये तो नंबर ऑफ मॉडल्स थे, कितने नंबर मॉडल ए को मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे और कितने नंबर मॉडल बी को मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे। तो चाहे ये फिर इसको मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हैं मॉडल ए को या फिर नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट। अगर करेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव नंबर ही होगा, नेचुरल नंबर। अगर इसको नहीं करेंगे तो 0 होगा, राइट। एंड दैट्स व्हाई x and y both will be greater equals to 0. So x is greater equals to 0 and y is greater equals to 0. So this is the required L.P.P and you know how to solve this. Okay, solve yourself. Okay, I'm going to the, and the next is diet problem, which is most essential in this period, right? In fact, in this generation. So, and this is the result of diet control. Okay, anyway, so the question is, a diet should contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals, right? Two foods F1 and F2 are available. Food F1 costs rupees 4 per unit and food F2 costs rupees 6 per unit. Food F1 and F2 contains vitamin A, this one is vitamin A and minerals as follows. So food F1 contains 3 unit vitamin A, right? Per unit F1 food contains vitamin A 3 unit and minerals 4 unit, right? And food F2, right? And per unit food F2 contains 6 unit of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals, right? Now we have to convert this as a problem, L.P.P problem, linear programming problem, and you have to solve this, right? Now see here, the main thing is the total requirement for vitamin A is how much? 100 units, 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of 100 units of minerals. So vitamin A is how much? 80 unit and minerals कितना? Minerals है 100 unit, right? So cost is how much? Therefore total cost equals to per unit food F1, see the question here, per unit, yeah, see here, food F1 costs 4 rupees 4 per unit, right? So 4x plus and rupees 6 per unit for food F2, right? So 6y. So this is the total cost and you have to minimize this cost, right? हम लोग कुछ चीज खरीदने के वक्त ज्यादा देने के लिए हम लोग प्रिपेयर रहते हैं या फिर कम देने के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स जितना हो सके कम किया जाए. ओके, सो द ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन इज mean z minimum of z is equals to 4x plus 6y. Now see here, जो हम लोगों का यहाँ पर रिक्वायरमेंट था वो क्या था? विटामिन ए था 80 यूनिट और क्या था? मिनरल्स था 100 यूनिट, राइट? अब क्योंकि फूड F1 कितना लिया? x यूनिट, सो x यूनिट में कितना मिलेगा? 3x यूनिट विटामिन ए मिला और फूड F2 कितना लिया है वहां पर? y यूनिट, और पर यूनिट y यहाँ पर 6 यूनिट हम लोगों को विटामिन ए मिलता है, राइट? सो प्लस 6 एंड दिस मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू द टोटल अमाउंट, राइट? हियर द रिक्वायरमेंट इज हाउ मच? 80. तो यहाँ पर जो अमाउंट मिला इसको मिनिमम होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट 80, 80 से ज्यादा अगर हो गया विटामिन ए तो दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन उससे अगर कम हो गया तभी दिक्कत होगा, राइट? सो दिस अमाउंट मस्ट बी गेटर इक्वल्स टू 80, जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उससे ज्यादा. So this is greater equals to 80, and in the similar way you can calculate for minerals also. So this will be 4x plus 3y, and see here our requirements, the mineral is how much? 100 unit, right? So we need at least 100 units of minerals, right? So it will be greater equals to 100, and you know very well that you can take food F1 or you may not, right? So this will be definitely greater equals to 0, क्योंकि फूड तो हम लोग नेगेटिव अमाउंट में नहीं ले सकते हैं, right? So this is x greater equals to 0 and y is greater equals to 0, and this is the required LPP, right? And you know how to solve this. I am going to the next one, and the next is transportation problem. And this question, I have taken this question from miscellaneous exercise and question number 6, right? You can see this. So the question is, two godowns A and B have grains capacity of 100 quintals and 50 quintals respectively. They supply to 3 ration shops D, E and F, whose requirements are 60, 50 and 40 quintals respectively. The cost of transportation are as follows. So this is the chart. From D to A, the transportation cost is 6 per quintal. This one is rupees 6, right? This is rupees 6. This one is also rupees 6. This is rupees 6, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 3, right? This one. So we have to find, or we have to construct the LPP, and we have to solve that. See here our target or our objective to minimize the transportation cost. Now let's describe the given question through a chart, and this will help us to solve the given problem, right? So let's x quintal is transferred from A to D, right? And y quintal is transferred from A to E, right? Now since the requirement for D, shop D, the requirement is how much? 60 quintals. So the remaining should be from B. That's why it is 60 minus x. And the requirement for E is 50 quintals. So the remaining 50 minus y will be transferred from B to E, right? And see here, this is x unit has been transferred from A to D, and x quintals is transferred from A to D, and y quintals from A to E. So the remaining is how much? 100. Here the capacity is 100 quintals, right? So 100 minus x plus y, right? So this must be transferred from A to F, right? Now see here, the requirement for this one is 40, and already I have transferred this amount, right? So the remaining amount will be transferred from B to F, right? So if we subtract this one from 40 minus this one, so this will be ultimately x plus 1. And now let's talk about the constants, right? So let's form it. So see here, I have already transferred 100 minus x plus y quintals from A to F, right? So definitely this amount will be greater equals to 0. So if you do that, 100 minus x plus y is greater equals to 0, implies that 100 is greater equals to x plus y. So this is one of the constant, right? So x plus y is less or equals to 100. Next, see here, this amount also greater equals to 0. So if we do this greater equals to 0, then we will get x plus y is greater equals to 60. See here, x plus y minus 60 is greater equals to 0, implies that x plus y is greater equals to 60, right? So this one, so x plus y is greater equals to 60. This one. Next x and y must be greater equals to 0. Once again, if we take this one greater equals to 0, then how much? X is less or equals to 60, and this one y is less or equals to 50. So x is less or equals to 60, y is less or equals to 50, x greater equals to 0, y greater equals to 0. Just take all of these, greater equals to 0, greater equals to 0. You will get all the constants. right? So thank you guys. आज यहीं तक. Next video में I will discuss the allocation problems and investment problems, and you should try the questions in your books. Okay? So चलो मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.